In today's video, we're reviewing TMMB Premium, a course that teaches you how to build multiple digital income streams and start earning online with structure, not guesswork. TMMB is the TikTok money-making blueprint. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wanted to break out of the one income stream mindset and learn how to creators and entrepreneurs diversify their earnings, this program is definitely going to be worth your attention. So many people start with one hustle, maybe content creation, e-commerce, or freelancing, but the real freedom comes when you learn how to combine those skills into a sustainable digital business. That's exactly what TMMB Premium claims to show you how to do. So let's unpack what's inside, who's it for, and whether it's worth joining. So first off, what TMMB Premium is. The TMMB Premium, short for the TikTok Moneymaker Blueprint. It's an all-in-one course and community hosted on WAP. It's designed to teach you how to create, manage, and scale multiple online income streams, whether you're starting from scratch or trying to take your side hustle full-time. The course focuses on realistic and proven business models like affiliate marketing, digital products, and community monetization. But more importantly, it shows you how to connect those income streams into a single organized system that runs long-term. It's not just about making your first dollar online, it's about building a structure that supports long-term freedom and flexibility. Now, what makes TMMB Premium different? A lot of online business programs focus on one skill, like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or brand deals, but TMMB is different because it actually teaches you how to combine them strategically. It's more of a blueprint than a single business model. You'll learn how to build your foundation, monetize it through multiple paths, and automate the systems that keep it growing. Another thing that makes it stand out is its practical approach. There's no fluff, no vague mindset lessons, and no unrealistic promises. It's a step-by-step training built for busy people who want clear direction. And since it's hosted on WAP, you actually get access to an active community of entrepreneurs, creators, and marketers who are learning alongside you. That makes it easier to stay accountable and motivated as you work through each module. Now, let's go through the key features. First off is the step-by-step video training. So the lessons inside are organized into clear, actionable sections that guide you from the basics of online income to more advanced strategies. You'll start by identifying your strengths, choosing the right business model for your goals, and then move into execution, how to market, sell, and scale your offers. Each video is short and easy to follow, so even if you only have an hour a day, you can make progress. Every module ends with specific action steps, which helps you apply what you're learning in real time. Let's talk about income stream frameworks. So TMMB breaks down multiple ways to earn money online, and it shows you how to layer them strategically. You'll learn how to launch profitable digital products like templates or courses, build affiliate income by recommending products you already use, offer freelance services that generate short-term cash flow, and create memberships or community offers for recurring income. Next, let's talk about branding and positioning. So before you start selling, they'll actually help you identify your niche and refine your messaging. You'll learn how to position yourself as an expert, even if you're new, and build a brand that naturally attracts the right people. Next is systems and automation. So they teach you how to work smarter, not harder. You'll learn how to set up automated systems that handle repetitive tasks like emails, content scheduling, and customer onboarding. This is where most people start to see results, because once your systems are in place, you'll free up so much time to focus on strategy and creativity. Automation also helps you earn consistently even when you're not actively online. Community and networking. So once you join, you'll also get access to the private TMMB community on WAP. It's filled with creators, small business owners, and freelancers who are applying the same systems you're currently learning. This group is where you can ask questions, share progress, and even find collaborations. Now, let's talk about some bonus tips so you can get the most out of the TMMB course. So if you're planning to enroll or already inside the course, here are a few ways to get the best results from it, because how you take the course is just as important as what's inside it. Number one, set a clear study schedule. Treat TMMB like a real class, 2 to 3 specific time that you're going to dedicate to learning and implementing. Even if it's only 30 to 60 minutes per session, consistency compounds. You're going to make more progress doing small chunks consistently than binge watching modules once and forgetting about them. Number two, take notes as if you're building your own blueprint. Don't just watch passively. Write things down. Create a Notion page or a Google Doc where you summarize every key concept and how it applies to your business idea. This turns the course into your own personalized strategy guide you can revisit later. Number three, implement after every module. The biggest mistake people make with courses is consuming without doing. TMMB is built for actions. So take one concept, apply it, and test it before jumping to the next lesson. Even small steps like setting up an email system or refining your brand bio makes a difference. Number 4 is use the WAP community. You're going to get so much more out of this course if you engage in the community. Ask questions, share updates, and connect with others. Talking through what you're learning helps it stick, and you might find people to collaborate with or exchange feedback. Number 5 is to revisit sections as you grow. Your needs will change as your business evolves. What feels basic now might hit differently 3 months later. Don't be afraid to rewatch modules, especially on monetization and automation, once you've implemented the basics. Number 6 is to track your progress weekly. Keep a simple tracker where you log your course completion and the results from what you've implemented. Followers, leads, revenue, etc. Seeing steady progress keeps your momentum up and helps you spot which parts of the course are driving results. Number 7 is to focus on progress, not perfection. The goal isn't to finish every video in a week. It's to actually see results from the lessons. Take messy action, make mistakes, and refine as you go. Courses like this are meant to evolve with you, not overwhelm you. Okay, now let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. So the biggest strength of TMMB is that it's comprehensive, not confusing. It combines multiple income strategies under one roadmap, making it super easy to follow even if you're just starting from scratch. The community is another major advantage. It adds accountability and keeps you from feeling like you're doing this alone. The downside is that it is a self-paced course, which means you do have to stay motivated on your own. There's no one checking in to make sure you've done the homework. But if you're disciplined enough to follow through, the payoff is 1000% worth it. It also does take time to build multiple streams, so expect to commit a few months before you start seeing full results. This isn't a get-rich-quick course. It's about building something real. Now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So TMMB is available exclusively on the WAP app. If you want to get access, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. So as you can see, they've got their 2 products right here. They do have a free community, but what we've been talking about is $49.99 per month. So all you have to do to get access is use our exclusive link down below and go ahead and click on the product right here. You can see a bunch of reviews as well, and they have a 4.9 rating and 145 reviews, which is awesome. So should you join TMMB? If you're serious about creating multiple digital income streams and want a roadmap that makes sense, then yes, absolutely, it's worth it. It's especially useful for people who've been stuck in the learning phase, consuming endless YouTube tutorials but not seeing the actual results. This program gives you structure, clarity, and a community that helps keep you accountable. It's perfect for freelancers, content creators, and aspiring entrepreneurs who want to build real digital assets instead of chasing trends. As a side note, I know how easy it is to get stuck in that loop of learning but not earning. You watch tutorials, try different strategies, and still feel like you're missing the piece that ties it all together. That's why programs like TMMB really do matter. They help you connect the dots between knowledge and results. You don't need a massive audience or years of experience to make money online. You just need the right roadmap and the discipline to follow it. And this course gives you both. If you want to check out TMMB and see what's inside, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping creators and entrepreneurs find the best tools, systems, and programs to grow online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.